guys, welcome back to another Clean Form video. Today we're talking about Visible Wireless and this crazy good deal that they have going on. So you guys know I personally use Visible Wireless as one of my personal carriers. Like I said, I have a couple phones, so I like to test different networks, and Visible is one of the ones I like. This is not a sponsored video, so Visible, if you're out there, you want to sponsor your boy, let me know in the comments below. You can check out all the contact information in the description below. But let's get into it, guys. Like I said, this is my personal opinion. I've not been paid for this. This is not sponsored since I use this service and I pay every month for it. So it's actually, you guys will get a better deal than I do. So check it out. So guys, the limited time offer again, it says join the Visible plan today and score 2 years, guys, of service for only $20 a month. Use code SAVE24. So remember, you have to use that code SAVE24 at checkout to get this discount. But if you guys don't know, Visible Wireless is, it's under the Verizon umbrella. It's kind of like what Cricket Wireless is to AT&T, or Metro is, to T-Mobile. So I like Visible. They work really good. Let's look at the plans. But yeah, guys, you can, like I said, save quite a bit of money. And this is locked for 2 years. We can learn more about this in just a little bit. But let's go ahead and look at the plan. So here's the two plans. So you can see, guys, the normal price is $45 or $25. I personally have the Visible Plus plan. I'll tell you why in just a little bit. They do have annual plans as well. But like I said, right now we're focusing on the monthly because this is the one that most people tend to get. And yeah, that's a... All right, sorry about that, guys. I was doing laundry earlier, and I didn't even know I put my jeans back there. So I was like, "Whoops, that's just not good for camera." But let's get into it, guys. Again, let's say I have the Visible Plus plan. I'll tell you why in just a little bit. That's the one I personally use, yeah, it costs $15 more, but it's at least from here it does make a difference, or $20 here. But it says network. So if you're getting the Visible, let's call it the standard plan. It's just called Visible. It's normally $25 a month. So for this one, you get it for $20 a month. So like I said, regular it's $25. You don't save that much. You save $5 for 2 years, which is still a good chunk of change, but you get it for $20 a month. And these are taxes and fees are included. So that's really good versus some other carriers. They still charge you taxes and fees. So the network, you do get unlimited data, talk, and text on Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE networks. That's block high-risk spam calls and robocalls, which is good. And then you do get mobile hotspot. This is unlimited use on the phone as a Wi-Fi connection. Speeds are reduced to 5 megabits per second, which is still fast enough for many things that you want to do. International, you get unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada. Now, the other thing right here, guys, like I said, this is a Visible Plus plan. It's called, it's $35. It's normally $45. You save $10 a month. And you get it for $35 for 2 years. Really good savings there, like $240 or something like that. So it says network, same thing. So you do get unlimited premium data on Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network, our fastest 5G. So you do get unlimited. You do get access to Verizon's 5G ultra wideband, which is 4 or 5 times faster. You get gigabit speed. I've done a speed test. I get 1.7 gigs down in my area. So it just depends if you are in a 5G ultra wideband area. So you do, what's cool about that is there's no data cap. So if you're let's say you're at work like I am at my job, I have 5G ultra wideband. It does not go towards your data allotment. We'll go over that in just a little bit. 50 gigabytes of premium data on Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE network. That's one thing that's why I would recommend is you don't get any priority data on Visible's just regular standard plan. So times of congestion, guys, your speeds do get quite a bit throttled or slowed down versus you'll have 50 gigs of premium data, which I think this last billing period I only used maybe 12 gigs, if that. Just because, like I said, I have Wi-Fi and I also have Verizon's 5G ultra wideband at my job, not at my house, but at the house I use Wi-Fi either way. So this is really nice. If you're out and about, guys, premium data is a must. It says block high risk calls and robocalls. Save $10 a month on Verizon's home internet if you do qualify for it, and you do get smartwatch service included, which is a savings of $10 a month. So if you have a Apple smartwatch and you want to put it on Visible, you can. It's free. Most carriers now charge $10 to $15 a month. So that's a savings here of $10. You get it for free. Mobile hotspot, you do get unlimited use of your phone as a Wi-Fi connection at twice the speeds as visible plan. This one you do get at 10 megabits per second. And then in international, you do get a lot more, and you get unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada, unlimited talk, text, and 2 gigs a day of data per day in Mexico and Canada. So if you're ever in Mexico and Canada, you do get 2 gigs of high-speed data and unlimited talk and text. You get a call into 30 plus countries and unlimited texting to 200 plus. One global pass day per month includes $10 savings. So you do get basically one global pass, which means if you go travel abroad, you get 1 day for free. Overseas, that's a $10 savings. But like I said, I definitely would recommend. I'll tell you right now, they do. Here we go. There's a little bit more about the Visible Plus plan. Like I said, you do get 50 gigs premium data. After that, it basically does slow down quite a bit. So just double check on that. But like I said, I've never used more than that. You do spam protection, expedited free. That's another thing. Shipping on orders, so you, like I said, you get free basically expedited business day shipping. So you do get if you order a phone, you do get it faster than anybody else that would be just on the standard plan. But basically, it says how to get this deal. So basically, you're saying $5 a month or $10 a month. Like I said, depending on the plan. We just went over that. It says to get this, there's 4 steps. You must join Visible on the Visible or Visible Plus plan. New members only, whether via bring your own device or purchase a new device. Select your plan and enter the code SAVE24 on the My Bag screen and complete checkout and set up your SIM and activate. This offer does end December 2nd, so you have about a little bit month and a week. So you can go ahead and do this. So remember, new members only. So like I said, I think it's a pretty good promotion. For anybody that's looking to save some money with Visible. Like I said, Visible does run on Verizon's network, which is the biggest carrier here in the United States. And of course, they do have really good deals on phones if you guys are looking for them. As you can see, there's a FE. This is the new Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Pro. So all the new phones is what I like about Visible, and I use them because you can get the latest phones and you can finance them through a firm. So any phone that you're looking to get, guys, you can. They even have bi-weekly on some of these phones. Pixels, Razors, like I said, any phone you're really looking into, you can get good savings with the plan and the phone. Like I said, they have the newest and greatest Samsung's, Galaxy's, Pixels, TCLs even. So yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this a good deal? Is this something you would get? I personally would recommend Visible, like I said. So check them out. Thanks so much and have a good day, guys.